Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13C, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and holding one of your photos in Photos or one of your albums. Either way, after holding the chosen one, click on Select All at the top right corner. To exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, tap on them. And to get rid of the rest, choose Remove at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!